In this video we hope to teach Fusion how to go around the Colosseum, the Hippodrome, using two optical distance sensors. This program is very similar to the previous one. Again, we will ignore the wait for 7 seconds, which is only there to assist me in filming. We have the same basic program here as we had in the previous tutorial, with the exception that we read an optical distance sensor instead of the touch sensor. The optical distance sensor is in port A0, and we're activating it when it's near the end wall, and when we see that, we turn left. If we don't do that, we wall follow, just as we did in the previous tutorial. The wall following function is the same as in the previous tutorial, so we won't spend any more time on that. The turn left function is very similar to the one in the previous tutorial, except in this case we don't need to back away from the wall because the optical distance sensor allows us to see the end wall with sufficient room that we can turn without having to back away as we did in the previous one. Here is the complete program with its two functions. This has an identical format to the previous tutorial, so we won't spend time on this, as we have already talked about the changes in the individual program and functions. Let's look at the Fusion actually running. You can see the light from the optical distance sensor here. The light from the forward-facing optical distance sensor is harder to see, but you can just glimpse it here. We do not use this sensor during this run.